guys, what's up? This is Prince. Welcome to another video, and if you're new to the channel then please hit that subscribe button and please press the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. So people, according to the world of internet, 2020 is going to be the year for people who not only like to use their phone just to make calls or to use internet, but to capture their special moments and memories in photos and videos. So in today's video, we are going to talk about a product which will help you big time in capturing and creating the new and important memories of your life. So guys, this is the most unique 4-in-1 gimbal by the company Jicson, and why I called it 4-in-1, because you can use it as a selfie stick, a camera remote shutter, a tripod, and most important, a phone gimbal. You heard me right guys, you can use it in so many ways. So let's cut the talk and let's check the product out. And I'm so excited to see and unbox this amazing and beautiful gimbal. So let's do the unboxing really quick and let's see what all you get in the box. So guys, as you can see, the detailing on the box is really good, and in the front you get the Jicson's logo, and then over here there are some details mentioned on the box, like how you can use it and what are the uses of the gimbal. Now guys, let's unbox it and let's see what all you get in the box. So guys, in the box first you get the Jicson phone gimbal, and below that you get a user manual. So guys, this over here is a key protector. For example, you put your phone in the gimbal and that is pressing your phone's button. So if you attach this with your phone, then it will prevent from pressing any button and you can use the phone seamlessly. So guys, now let's talk more about the phone gimbal and let me tell you all the features and everything about this gimbal. So guys, the overall quality of the gimbal is really good and it feels really premium in hand. So it doesn't feel like it's a cheap selfie stick or something. It feels like it's a gimbal. So let me tell you this guys, this is a single axis gimbal, so you can use it for pan and tilt and tracking, those kind of stuff you can do with this. So guys, let me show you some more things on the gimbal. So as you can see guys, there is a micro USB charging port with which you can charge your gimbal, and you can use any micro USB cable with it. And guys, this is the power button, and with that there is a LED light which will indicate you that the gimbal is working. So guys, at the bottom as you can see, there is a camera button. So this camera button is actually a remote shutter which you can connect with Bluetooth with your Android and iOS, both the devices, and you can also detach it from the gimbal and use it as a remote shutter button separately. So to detach it, you just need to press it upwards and it will come out. So you can detach it like this, and you can use it as a camera button. And guys, the best part of this camera button is that this is also rechargeable. So there is a small micro USB port at the bottom of the button which you can charge with any micro USB cable, and you can use it n number of times. So you don't need to replace the batteries of the gimbal or the button. You can use it by just charging it from any USB cable that you have. So guys, I'm amazed by the fact that you can use this particular gimbal in 4 different ways. I mean, suppose you're a YouTuber and you like to make some of your channel's content with your phone. For example, you have a traveling channel and you travel a place where your camera is not allowed, but you can shoot with your phone. So at that point of time, you can take out this gimbal from your pocket and attach your phone with it, and you can take some amazing tracking shots with the gimbal. You can use it as a selfie stick, or you can use it as a tripod and take some shots of yours by that, or you can take a time lapse with it. So you can use it in many ways. And guys, this button over here, as I've told you, this is a shutter button. It's a Bluetooth shutter button. So you can connect it with your phone and you can use it as a play and pause button. And guys, this is amazing for people who make TikTok videos. For example, you want to do a transition, you can keep your phone over here. You don't need a second person. You just need to attach your phone, place it in front of you, and with the help of the shutter button, you can record and pause your videos, and you can do some amazing transitions. So guys, let me show you some shots that I have taken with the help of this phone gimbal for my other video. So let me roll the clips for you. So these are some tracking shots that I have taken with the help of the Jicson's phone gimbal using my OnePlus 6 device, and the video came out so good. I mean, there are no shakes and the tracking is so seamless. So guys, now you must be thinking that if you go to the market or any e-commerce website to buy a phone gimbal, a selfie stick, a shutter button and a tripod for your phone, that will cost you somewhere around 6,000 to 7,000 or more, and you need to buy a carry bag to put all that in it. But guys, this gimbal over here will cost you way less than that, and you don't need a carry bag for it. You can just carry it in your pocket and use it. So guys, now if you want to know the price and the specifications of the gimbal, you can click the link mentioned in the description below and you can buy it from Amazon with the 1-day delivery facility. If you like this product, then please hit that like button. Please share this video with your friends and family so that they can also check out this amazing product. And guys, please comment down below and tell me that which feature of this gimbal you like the most, and please subscribe the channel and show some love and support. And guys, this is Prince signing out. Peace.